Good day, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 111. We're solving this quadratic equation by factorization. So we look for the factors of positive 3 that will give us negative 4 when we add them. So this positive means that this positive 3 here means that the factors are having the same sign. The two factors are having the same sign. So it could be negative 3 and negative 1, or positive 3, positive 1. But this one, this negative here, confirms that yes, the factors have the same sign, but the factors must be both negative. So both factors must have the negative sign. So it should be negative 3 and negative 1. So we say here is x, and then negative 3, x, negative 1 is equal to 0. Okay, we factorized here. So meaning that x is equal to x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 1. Okay. Right, the other method you can do, remember, we split this and we split this into their respective factors. And then we look for the combination that can give us negative 4. You do this, x squared is x times x, then positive 3 can be 3 and 1, isn't it? Cross multiply like this, and then we multiply like this. Right, so this is x times 3 is 3x, then x times 1 is 1x. Right, we want to get negative 4, so it means this should be negative 3x and negative 1. So if this is negative 3, it means this one now, we make it negative 3. This one also make it negative 1. You see that? So negative 3 plus negative 1 is negative 4x. And then you take this and you take that. So these are the factors there. You see that? That's another method. And then we've managed to find the values of x.